Hey guys, welcome back to a fresh video. Again, I am come up with a Udemy free courses video. So again, in this video, we are checking out some awesome Udemy free courses. So today's Udemy free courses are of most of the courses are programming language and some are of business, startup, entrepreneurship, etc. So if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel, and if you are finding our content useful, then please recommend the channel to your friends. And also, if you want videos on a specific topic, then let me know in the comment section. So let's do not waste time and let's get started with the video with a small intro. So first course is about the intensive 2021 Python and data analysis libraries diploma. So in this course you will learn about code with the Python programming language and also data structure using collection like containers. You will also learn about advanced Python foundations, numerical Pythons. The duration of this course is 6 hours and there are 11 downloadable resources. The rating of this course is 4.5 and coupon code I am highlighting here. You can refer it here or otherwise I will get in the description. So the second course is Acceptance and Committed Therapy Act. So this is course apart from your academics. If you are interested in such topics, then you can enroll to this course. It is not related to any of your academics and all. So it is a course of teaching and academic, you can say, therapy. So in this course you will learn about acceptance and commitment therapy, which is also called as ACT, how to deliver ACT step by step, and also how to use ACT to improve people's mental health. So this is about the therapy, how you can give it to others and also cure mental health. So the duration is 3 hours and there are 7 articles to read, and they are providing 18 downloadable resources. So the coupon code is launch hyphen free hyphen CCFBC90A. So this is a coupon code, you can check it out here. So the third course is desktop support, IT fundamental training course. So the duration of course is 2 hours and 4.2 is a rating. In this course you will learn about desktop support, IT fundamentals trainings and IT support. So there is a small requirement for this course, that is you must have knowledge of a computer, basic knowledge, and also you know how to use computer. So this is the two requirements for this course, and the coupon code I am highlighting here, you can check it out. So the next course, which is fourth course, that is complete MBA course, marketing and business strategies. So in this course you will learn about advanced marketing concepts like a BCG matrix, brand mantra, MAB model, etc. So you will also learn how to do sale and marketing of your product, various marketing channels used by companies. So these are all the things you will learn in this course. So you will get 6 hours of course and 7 downloadable resources if you enroll to this course. The rating of this course is 4.4 and the coupon code is tricky hyphen man. So this is a coupon code of this course. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, you have any idea in your mind to do a startup, then you can enroll to this course. This course will help you a lot. So the next course is 31 Startup Business Model Best Course for Entrepreneurs. So if you wanted to become an entrepreneur or you have any idea of startup, then you can enroll to this course. This course will help you a lot with your ideas and how to implement it. So in this course, basically they are teaching how to implement your ideas and how to create a business model for your idea. And also they are teaching the startup types of startup business models and also how to implement your ideas and how to solve startup business problems and all. So this is a course which will help you a lot with your startup ideas. So if you wanted to become an entrepreneur, then I recommend to enroll to this course. So the rating of this course is 4.3 and 4 hour duration of the course. And for this course, only one day left. So if you wanted to enroll, then please enroll fast as you can. So one day left, the coupon code is same, that is tricky hyphen man. So if you wanted to enroll, then please do fast because one day left. So the next course is learn machine learning and AI hands-on. So in this course you will learn machine learning, and also they are providing three hands-on projects, and also you will learn how to build end-to-end machine learning projects. So the duration of this course is 2 hours and the rating is 4.3, and the coupon code is free July 2, which is simple enough. That is free July 2 is a coupon code for this course. So the next course is React.js Complete Guide for Front-End Web Development 2021. So in this course, you will learn about basic web pages, how to create a basic web pages using HTML5, and also you will learn about JavaScript languages from basic to advanced along with next-gen JS ES6. And you will also learn about how to create user-friendly, beautiful, light and fast websites using React.js. So basically in this course you will learn about, first of all, HTML you will learn, and also next-gen JS, React.js, CSS3, JavaScript. So many things you will learn in this course. So if you are interested in front-end development or web development, you can also start up with the Fiverr and freelancing for web development. So if you wanted to learn web development, here is a best opportunity to learn, which they are giving for free, and the duration of the course is 22 hours, which is a huge, and they are giving it for free. So the and you will also get 26 downloadable resources if you enroll to this course. The coupon code is simple enough, that is free July 2. If you wanted to enroll, please do enroll fast as you can. I am giving the coupon code timestamp in the description. You can refer from there also. So the next course is Beginner's Guide for Android App Development. So here is another course of app development, or you can say Android development. So if you wanted to become an app developer, then you can enroll to this course. In this course, you will learn Android installation and setup of Android development, different ways to store your data on Android device, how to trigger Android notifications, list and fundamentals of Android developments and all. So you will also learn about chat application from scratch. So the rating of this course is 4.2 and the duration is 4 hours. So if you wanted to become an app developer, then please do enroll to this course. So the next course and the last course of this video is Python programming from basic to advanced level. So here is a course of Python. So if you wanted to learn programming language from scratch and you don't know anything about programming, then don't worry, this is a course for you. You can enroll to this course and learn Python programming language from scratch. So in this course they are teaching about Python and Python 3 introduction, and also object oriented programming in Python. They are also teaching how to make your own web scraping tool using Python. So there is a small project, you can say it. So the duration of this course is 8 hours and the rating is 4.3. This is the best course for those who want to learn Python programming languages from scratch. So if you wanted to learn, then please do enroll to this course. So the coupon code is same as the previous, that is free July 2. So do enroll to this course if you wanted to learn Python programming language. So if you like this video, then please share it to your friends. Let them enroll for few of these courses and gain some knowledges. And also again I am saying, if you wanted videos on a specific topics, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video guys. Take care, tata, bye bye.